Yeah, it's Mike with RV Hounds. We're here in Copalis, and we're staying at the Echoes of the Sea motel and RV and campground. Now we'll go take a look at the campground. Showed you some of the sights on the motel here in the front, but we'll walk around and take a look in the back where the RVs are parked, and actually it's got some tent sites back there, so let's go take a look. Yeah, the RVs are parked around the back side here, so we'll take a walk around the back side here. The owners here just purchased this like 2 months ago, so they're doing a bunch of renovations and upgrades. As you can see, the gravel is all brand new. And as we come around the corner, you see some construction debris as they upgrading the motel and also upgrading the campsites. There's about 10 campsites. We're the first trailer there. And my daughter just arrived also. We'll take a little walk back to the back, and I'll show you some of the sites here. As you can see, they're fairly long sites. My trailer is 27 feet long, and I parked both the truck and the trailer on the site. Sites for the RVs are water electric only, but as you can see, there's only 2 of us here actually now. And they're fairly wide. Got it all fixed up. And we'll take a look as we walk back here. We got dumpsters on site. There's also, we will take a look at it in a little bit, there's a RV dump station on site also, so it's not too bad. But as you can see, we got a couple of RV sites where he's put in the new gravel here. And you got a fire ring and picnic tables also provided. Fairly woodsy area, but it is open. You can see, got woods in the background here, but it is a fairly open site. And the last RV site, this is a pretty nice one here. It's just grass right now, but it is a fairly large one. It's number 11. Although there are only 10 RV sites, I think. And then back in here, we've got, we got another RV site here. We got water and electrical. You can see it in the post there. And then back in there is a big area that's got, looks like I think 4 to 5 tent sites in the back. And it's fairly open. As we come around the corner here, you can see, give you another shot of the thing. It's got trees in the center area here and a big loop to pull around. And over here, we have the RV dump station. So we got, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice to have both of them here. So, like I said, it's a pretty nice little campground. It's close to the beaches. We're only about 5-10 minutes away from access to beaches. So you can go and drive down to the beaches, and we're only about 1 mile away from a state park. It's Griffith's Pretty State Park. It's a day use only facility. It's not directly on the beach. You have to walk down some trails, but they got quite a few trails in the beach there, or in the state park. But there's 2 access points. You can either go north or south of where we are, and you can go down to and drive right directly onto the beach. So anyway, that's a little recap of our area here. Hey, good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's Mike with RV Hounds. We're going to get ready to head down onto the ocean beaches today. One thing I wanted to point out about the campground here is across from the camping area, they do have restrooms, and they've been fixing those up here. So they're looking pretty good. Fairly clean. They're older restrooms, but they do have showers in them. It's like 25 cents for 5 minutes, so not too bad. Also, if you can take a look here, on the side of the restrooms is a fish cleaning station, fish or clam cleaning. So you can actually come in here and clean your fish or your clams, depending on what you do. I guess several people fish in the rivers around here. So anyway, just wanted to get that in there, let you guys know about that. They also have a neat little right behind me here. You see a little community fire area. We used that last night, had some s'mores, and it's pretty nice. They even furnished the firewood for it. They're doing a lot of remodeling, so they had a lot of leftover cut up end pieces of wood, so it's pretty nice. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that in.